Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
老
the symbol of age. Let's learn. Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
老
6 strokes to write old.
横竖横撇撇竖弯钩老
Means old or aged. Use it in words like
老师
teacher or
老人
elderly person. Now that you know how to write,
老
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Section 2. Common words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
老板
Boss,
老朋友
old friend,
老家
hometown. Section 3. Example sentences. Example sentences.
我的老师很严格
My teacher is very strict.
老板今天不在
The boss is not here today. Section 4. Fun fact. Did you know
老
isn't always about age? In words like
老虎
tiger, it's just part of the name. In slang, young people might jokingly call each other,
老铁
meaning buddy, to show closeness even if they're not old. Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. What does 老师 mean in English? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.